Hey everyone, Frankie, a licensed massage therapist at Warwick Chiropractic and Massage in Lacey, Washington, here today to talk to you about something that we're seeing more and more often at the clinic. So after a motor vehicle collision, your body can feel pretty beaten up. Trauma can be a lot for your body to handle. One of the coping mechanisms of the body is actually to prioritize the worst injuries. Your body is going to tell you what is hurt the worst so that you can pay attention and get it taken care of. One thing to be aware of is that many areas of your body may have sustained trauma, and they are not always the first ones you think of. Whether you are the driver or a passenger in a vehicle that has been involved in a collision, you can sustain injury to your arms. This area is often overlooked because it is typically not as important as your spine or your head, but the arms can take quite a beating when it comes to MVCs. A passenger may have landed on an arm or used it to brace for the impact. A driver is likely to have been holding onto the steering wheel at the time of the impact, or may have also braced with their arms. Any of these circumstances can end in your arm sustaining trauma, so it is important to communicate to your healthcare provider any pain, tension, or other symptoms that you do notice. Massage can help address strains, trigger points known as knots, and many other injuries to the arm that can be sustained in a motor vehicle collision or other injury. So if you feel your arms could use some massage work, come in, call, or go online to schedule a massage session with Frankie, myself, or my other licensed massage therapist partner, Marissa, today. We hope to hear from you soon.